this Chennai LabVIEW user group is officially available to join, to everyone, is available for everyone to join and grow together. I am one of the coordinator for Chennai LabVIEW user group. I am looking forward for everyone to work with you. And the main objective, as already Ram and Anish already stated, I am just reiterating these things. The main idea is we are to develop a strong local user community around us, because in Chennai, as well, we have a lot of lab users. Even they are not part of lab in lug as well. But if the local user groups are available, we may invite them. They may join us to share their knowledge and explore or give some suggestions and ideas as well. And another important thing, we are going to have more physical meetings post COVID situation, and up to that we are going to have online meetings. It's like at least we are going to have a meeting for one meeting for each and every quarter. And so if you have a physical meetings, then we can network with our peers in our local area, and we could get to know each other, and we could share our challenges and get some suggestions or solutions, and we can able to learn some new things and exciting technologies from their company. And we could able to understand what in their company doing, or what are the best practices they are doing, and how we can able to learn from them, and how we can able to incorporate the best practices for in our day-to-day life. So these things are general details for our LabVIEW user group. That is what we are planning to do it in Chennai LabVIEW user group as well. And the main thing is we need to give an opportunity for all the level of LabVIEW users to get it involved. It is an open place, and it is all the level of lab users can get involved, and they can present, and they can learn, and they can grow themselves, and then they can support the community as well. So this is the overall idea, and I need all of your support for to grow the LabVIEW user community and support Chennai LabVIEW user group as well. So as you know, the LabVIEW, I mean, any LabVIEW user group or any user group communities are about the people. So I request all of you, or the people who are interested, who are around Chennai, please visit this NI webpage and make join in Chennai LabVIEW user group. This is the webpage. Here it is look like. There is an option. If you have an NI account directly, you can able to join it. Otherwise, you should please create an NI account and join it here. And please support. I am always open to the suggestions, because we are going to run this so please give your suggestions for the presentations or the events, how we are going to take place, or how we can able to do it our best. So finally we need all of your support to make it happen. So yeah, this is the forum link that you can visit and join on our group. Thank you. And this is my personal number. I'm always open to discuss with you regarding the community and Chennai Lab user groups. And any suggestions, you can directly ping me in WhatsApp as well. And you can call me, or if you want, we can have a discussion in regarding this. Yeah.